The National Road Safety Campaign has entered a new era. Government has rolled out breathalyzers and advanced smart traffic equipment to be used by the Vehicle Inspection Department and the Zimbabwe Republic Police as part of a modern smart policing drive. Launching the program, Transport Minister Honorable Felix Mhona said the technology will bring fairness, accountability and order to the country's roads.
Today marks yet another milestone by the Second Republic under the wise leadership of His Excellency, the President, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. As we locate sound road traffic management right at the center of the government's work program. The state of road safety in Zimbabwe is a critical condition characterized by a deeply worrying rise in accidents and fatalities. Zimbabwe faces a severe road safety crisis, with recent reports indicating that on average 5 people die every day on the roads in Zimbabwe, and this translates to 153 persons killed per month. On average, 30 people are injured every day on the roads in Zimbabwe, and this will translate to 13,680 persons injured annually. And it's costing our fiscus, where we are looking at USD 406 million annually. Mari irikurasirwa nenyika yeZimbabwe nekuda kwetsaona. To address these challenges, several interventions are being made. Implementation of the emergency road rehabilitation programs and the road development program is significantly improved the state of our roads and safety. The introduction of the Zimbabwe Integrated Transport Management Information System, known as ZIMTIS, represents a deliberate move away from legacy paper-based systems towards a centralized digital platform, fundamentally modernizing the road traffic management through electronic solutions. The system integrates various modules for vehicle registration, licensing, and crucially inspection data, creating a more streamlined and transparent process. In this vein, the core equipment at our major vehicle inspection department station is now increasingly oriented around the digital backbone, featuring computer networks that sync real-time data with the national database, which helps to curb fraud, making records more secure and verifiable. On the legislative front, we've promulgated various digital instruments on new driver's licensing regimes, installation of speed limiting and monitoring devices, and minimum age restrictions on drivers of public service vehicles. We are also developing legislation for the establishment of the Road Accident Fund to improve post-accident care for victims of traffic accidents. This bill will establish a national framework for post-crash emergency response and provide support to accident survivors and the deceased. The fund will be primarily financed through motor vehicle insurance premiums, and additional allocations is approved by the Treasury. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to the measures that I've outlined today, we formally commissioned a fleet of operational vehicles that I've alluded to earlier on, and the operational vehicles will enable our inspectors to be more agile, extending their reach into remote and underserved areas to conduct more spontaneous and effective roadside inspections. Tinotenda kuti mazvionera ichokwadi change tichifamba nazvo nekukasika zvinongotarisirwa nemutungamiri wenyika anoremekedzwa baba vedu vaMnangagwa. To the dedicated men and women of the VID, this investment is a vote of confidence in you. We are providing you with the tools you deserve for you to do your job effectively and with pride. But with these new tools comes immense responsibility. I charge you to use them with integrity, professionalism, and unwavering commitment to your sacred duty of protecting lives. For decades, the dedicated officers of our VID have worked tirelessly, often with limited tools, to uphold the standards and keep our roads safe. We owe them a debt of gratitude, but in an era of rapid technological advancement, where the vehicles themselves are becoming more complex, we recognize that our methods too must evolve. We can no longer rely solely on the keen eye and the skilled ear. We must empower our inspectors with the power of data, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Let me extend my heartfelt thanks to Zinara, who partnered VID for the procurement of the vehicles and the equipment we are commissioning today. Further appreciation again is also extended to CMED, who played a key role in the procurement process for the operation of vehicles. The collaboration reminds us that progress in the transport sector is a shared responsibility. In addition to their strides we are making in technological integration, I'm pleased to highlight another critical development on our collaborative efforts between VIG and CMED aimed at enhancing road safety through the CMED. The ministry has already procured 10 heavy-duty tow trucks dedicated to the removal of such vehicles, with an additional 10 trucks currently in the pipeline. This partnership is actively addressing the persistent issue of accident damaged and broken down vehicles that are left or abandoned along our roads. These vehicles pose a serious hazard to the motoring public, contributing to the avoidable accidents and fatalities. My colleague, honorable members, Parliament, we have been having my questions. Minister, mota dzirikosiwa mroad zvinomonondisvitsirawo hama dzangu kuti zvapera ndikatadzodza motikari mari yakutotanga kufamba chingosvika motikari zvinozopedzisira pamwe motikari iyoyo yakutopfuura mutengo wayo kana mukanonoka kuiteera. In addition to the commissioning of vehicles and brake roller testers, this event is crucial as we shall also hand over evidential breathalyzers to the Zimbabwe Republic Police. The breathalyzers were procured by Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe for use by ZRP.
Authorities say the crackdown on drunk and dangerous driving is intensifying, and motorists are urged to play their part by following traffic laws and keeping the roads safe.
During the period of conference, His Excellency President kubva kuairport vachienda kwamutare pakaita matrucks 2 akafira pamusoro peChristmas pass. Anga akalodza matrucks acho ane anga ari kuMozambique nemuZimbabwe, but we safely removed from the Christmas pass, so no capacity yemotikari yedu.
And I think for the Honourable Minister, the other issue which is there is VID has said that they will be wrecking cars that have had an accident, but they will also wreck cars of people who have, maybe the car is just broken down and they've left it there. So they're going to wreck it, take it to the depot, and for a fee, they're going to pay and recover your vehicle. Because we find cars are all over and they're blocking traffic. So that will also be the purpose of this vehicle as well.
Wonderful. Thank you.